Hi, this is Josh here at TechSpec, and one of my favorite features in the new Google Calendar is that Google Calendar has a trash can, which means, well, good things, right? So one of the most frustrating things if you've been in Outlook is that once you delete something from your calendar, it's gone, even if you deleted it on accident. So here we are in Google Calendar, and we're going to show you, make sure you know how to delete something from your calendar if you need to, but then how to go restore it if you need to do that. So you see here, I have this event called Delete Me Again. Well, when I click on it, if I click on the pencil, I can edit the event, but there's a trash can here, and that's how I delete the event. But what if that's not what I meant to do? Where is a trash can when you need one? What if I need to go get it out of the trash? Well, if we come up here to our settings menu, which is the gear, and we go into trash, then what we see is we have all our events for my all the trash from my calendars, and then all the events I have here. So these are the ones from my calendar, but let's say I need to look into the Ozobot. Well, I have this other calendar called Ozobot Lending Library, and look, I accidentally threw away an appointment from for Miss Crampton. So when I hover over the event, I've got a few things I can do. I can do the undo looking arrow, the back arrow to restore. I can delete forever. So I'm going to go ahead and restore that. When we head back, we see that Miss Crampton is back on the calendar. I'm going to head into the trash again, looking at mine. So I have these two events, Delete Me Again and Delete Me. So maybe I check them both. And so now, because I've got more than one selected, and let's say this one for no title, I can come up here and restore all selected, delete all selected. I'm going to uncheck this. Restore all selected or delete all selected. If I wanted to mass select everything, I could just come and click on the check. If oh, that's not what I meant. Undo that. Just click the ones I want. Come up here to, now I can restore one at a time or restore all selected. When I do that, they all go back. And voila, all our stuff is back. So in addition to the great search that we have up here where we can search through our calendar and look for things, we also have a trash that we can go get stuff out of or search through in case we've made a mistake and accidentally threw something away. So there you are. That is trash and restoring from the trash in Google Calendar. If Google sticks to its normal operating, then things probably live in your calendar trash for 30 days. That's what Google says on Gmail and Google Drive, although I've found things in those trash cans that are older than that. So hopefully that answers all your questions and shows you how to use the trash and restore from the trash in Google Calendar. And happy Googling.